Okay, so in the last video, you learned how to multiply base 10 numbers quite quickly using a formula. For instance, if you had 12 times 3, we simply added 3 to 12, which gave us 15, and multiplied 2 by 3, which gave us an answer of 156, right? Hopefully you remember that. However, that trick was restricted to numbers in base 10. What about numbers in the 20s or 30s or 40s or 50s? Well, this is what we're going to learn how to do now by starting with this question. So, as we usually do, you've got 10 seconds to work out the answer to this one. You know what? Have 15, and your time starts now. Okay, I think that's enough time. The answer to this one, watch me, 26 times 2 equals 52. 4 times 2 equals 8. Your answer is 528. Now, how quick was that? Let's, if I can find my phone, quickly verify the answer, and then we look at how I did it. So you can do it. 24 times 22. And there we have it. Hopefully you can see the answer is indeed 528. Alright. Time for you to learn how to do this trick. So let's use the same numbers. 24 times 22. Yeah. And what I did was, just as in the previous example, or the previous video I should say, if you haven't seen that, check it out in the series. I took the first number and I added it to the second digit. So 24 plus 2 equals 26. However, before recording 26, what we do is we double it or multiply it by 2, because we're dealing with numbers in the 20s. So 24 plus 2 equals 26 times 2 is equal to 52. We get our first 2 digits. Next, we multiply the last 2 numbers. That's 2 and 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. And there you have it. The answer is 528. Alright. So that we can ensure you understood the technique, let me give you one more to do. Say 23 times 22. Yeah. Knowing what you now know, I'm going to be very generous and give you another 15 seconds to answer to this one out. Your time starts now. Go. Okay, hopefully you should have gotten an answer by now. Based on what we've just learned, we know that the answer should be 506. Yeah? You should have gotten that answer in 15 seconds or less. For those of you who got it in 5 seconds or 3 seconds, excellent. Well done. If you didn't, keep practicing. Alright, let's just verify this answer, because I do make mistakes like everyone else. So let's see, 23 times 22, and in this case, yep, I did get it correct. It's 506. Alright, that's it for this session. See you again in the next lesson, and keep learning.